Well, we are going to finish to the new container right here. Yeah, see all these lots and look at me. See, I said how the gonna bend out, so we got to sit right here.
So this is a peace lily plant right here, and as you see, she's a baby. We had her for like, I believe 2 months. I got her like in May, and right now, and the recording this video is July. And when we got her, she was still small, not too big like she is now, but she didn't have that little flower right there. That's very, 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 very new. And you know, it's summertime in my location, so in the summertime, that grow a lot, that come out, and that's the reason why you see it there. And these are her roots here. She has a little bit of babies growing on here, and you do see her yellow leaf because I think that she need a new bigger pot. And something cute is going on right here. I see another baby coming, a baby flower coming. I don't know if it's a flower or it's a leaf, but it's so cute. It's right here, guys. Yeah. So today's video, we're gonna go ahead and pour her another pot, a bigger pot, like I said earlier, just so she can be more comfortable, she can grow and sprout and be great. Okay? And we got baby leaves coming in too. So of course, you know, we have Blessing in the house, my beautiful assistant princess. You know, she gotta be on the scene at all times, cause she the baby girl. Yes, that's our assistant. So basically, show them the pot, Blessing. Show them the green pot.
Hello.
So guys, the pot that she came in was this pot right here. It's very, very small. I'm gonna show you an example how she came. Just like this.
Pot. Yeah, she had a pot like this, but now she need a bigger one. Cause she getting a little to stretch out. See her roots are coming out. Cause her pot now her pot is little. Just like how my tooth came out. Same thing.
Huh?
Same thing how it grows. Same thing the plant grows.
Oh yeah? So your tooth came out and the plant got to come out. Oh.
So the plant will grow. And also, we got to buy some earthworm for the plants.
I know, soon. But guess what? For the price we paid for her was $7 plus tax. I put her in this part right here. It's not too much big, but it's very bigger than the original one she was in. So you want to like do things gradually. You don't want to keep like putting her in a small pot, then put her in a big huge pot. So as she grows, you can keep changing her pots. So this will be good for her. We're going to go ahead and double that up. Keep that up. Keep that up.
Now we're going to put the dirt in.
Forget. Okay. And then guess what? I'm going to get a little bit of perlites going on here. So I want to mix that up a little bit more. Okay, go ahead.
Now let's get the perlite too.
So right now we're going to go ahead and put the plant inside the pot right here. And what she's going to do is, well, okay, so we have the soil here and we have the perlite. The soil comes for, of course, you know, our DT store, family store, things like that. And nothing particular about the perlite, you know, just regular perlite. And I mixed it up with the soil. The soil costs $125 plus tax and everything.
So we just gonna put
she's just gonna go ahead and put in there just like so, you know, regular. Okay.
Guess how old I am? I am 5 years old and my teeth came out. And also I know much about plants.
So one thing you know about plants.
I know about plants because Mama teaches me, and I know all about plants. Everywhere I see plants. I see plants all around me.
Do you like taking care of plants or you don't?
I like taking care of plants.
You like to help plants out? Nice. And do plants help you breathe better?
Yeah, and also they help me make compost.
Right. They help you. No, they don't help you get compost. You gotta put compost with them.
Guess what? Now sometimes when you don't want to make it, you put earthworms inside.
So you gotta get some earthworms and put them inside your soil and neutralize the soil, right?
Yes, cause they make worm poop.
Oh, the worm poop. Yeah, the worm poop is good for the soil. It breaks down the carbon and all that things. And it's very good. So we gotta go ahead and get us some worm soup. I say worm soup. Worm poops. So you're doing a pretty good job as packing the soil in here, as you can see.
Outside and stuff.
Good.
But I got it by myself. I got it.
Okay.
And you're gonna do it. Well, a lot of jobs. Big job. And this little fire like me, I can do anything in these plants. Now she got her own space now. She can have babies anywhere.
She look way better. She look healthy now.
Cause now her roots can stretch out.
Right.
And now I got a perfect place to put my roots in. And thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Went ahead and did this plant by herself. As you saw me filming it, I did not help her besides packing it down. So honestly, she really knows what she's doing. I'm teaching her very, very, very good. You know, we love plants so far. We into plants. I've been into plants about like going on 3 years. And I started in 2019. My first aloe plant, I named him Ernest. I introduced you to him another time. But yeah, so you know, we love plants because it's helping us live better in our apartment. You know, giving us energy, more oxygen to breathe better, and also the main important is cleaning out our atmosphere and putting positive energy inside our home. So that's definitely a plus while we really into plants. But my husband said we getting too many plants, so I had to slow down because of the room. But hey, it is what it is, you know. And yeah, so I think she did a good job, guys. What do you think? A 5-year-old actually planted this. My 5-year-old planted this plant.
As you can see, the plant is so happy now. She looks way better than into the other plant. She looks like she's cute. Nice.
That's your plant?